And we have here 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise, lettuce,